The Sajjan Singh v. State of Rajasthan case is a landmark decision in Indian constitutional law, primarily addressing the balance between individual rights and the powers of the state. The case revolves around the constitutional validity of certain provisions of the Rajasthan Tenancy Act, which aimed to regulate land ownership and tenancy rights in the state. In this case, Sajjan Singh, a landowner, challenged the constitutional validity of the act, arguing that it infringed upon his fundamental right to property as guaranteed under Article 19(1)(f) of the Indian Constitution. He contended that the state's actions were arbitrary and violated the principles of natural justice. The Supreme Court of India had to consider whether the right to property was a fundamental right or merely a statutory right. At the time, the Constitution provided for the right to property as a fundamental right, but this was subject to reasonable restrictions imposed by the state in the interest of the general public. The court examined the provisions of the Rajasthan Tenancy Act, which aimed to protect the rights of tenants and ensure equitable distribution of land. In its judgment, the Supreme Court upheld the validity of the act, emphasizing the need for social justice and the welfare of the agrarian community. The court ruled that the right to property is not absolute and can be curtailed in the interest of the larger public good. This decision marked a significant shift in the interpretation of property rights in India, reinforcing the idea that individual rights must sometimes yield to the needs of society. The case also highlighted the importance of the directive principles of state policy, which aim to promote social and economic justice. The court recognized that the state has a duty to ensure that the benefits of land ownership are not concentrated in the hands of a few, but are distributed more equitably among the population. Furthermore, the Sajjan Singh case set a precedent for future cases involving the right to property and state intervention. It underscored the evolving nature of constitutional law in India, where the balance between individual rights and state responsibilities continues to be a dynamic and contentious issue. In conclusion, the Sajjan Singh v. State of Rajasthan case serves as a critical reference point for law students and practitioners alike. It illustrates the complexities of constitutional law in India, particularly regarding property rights and the role of the state in promoting social justice. Understanding this case is essential for anyone looking to grasp the nuances of constitutional law in the Indian context. For those interested in delving deeper into such significant legal precedents, subscribing to this channel will keep you updated on more insightful discussions and analyses.